to today's video. Today we're gonna make homemade popsicles with coconut water, bananas, pineapple, raspberries, peach, strawberries, mango, and blueberries, and some yogurt with some...
The catch is, you have to pick 5 ingredients, okay? So you only get to choose 5 ingredients.
This.
So Nanny's going...
1, 2, 3, 4.
And a yogurt. Savannah's 5 ingredients are gonna be coconut water, yogurt, strawberries, raspberries, and pineapple. I think that's gonna be a great mix. Very nice. Okay, Michaela, pick your 5. Strawberries, mango, blueberries.
1, 2, 3. Now,
2 more.
2 more.
You're probably gonna need some coconut water. Coconut water. And what do you want your 5th ingredient to be? Do you want it to be banana or pineapple? Banana?
5.
Great picks. Put your ingredients in your bowl. And Savannah, nope, too much, way too much. Divide that with Michaela.
Okay.
So Michaela, strawberry. That's good, that's good. You don't need too much. And then there's your banana. Perfect. Nanny's yogurt. Oh man. Great job, guys. Just a little. You don't need a whole lot. Okay. Okay.
Can you put it
Wait.
in?
Just grab as much as you want and put it in there.
Yeah.
Perfect. So you've got your mango, your strawberry, your banana. Now you need your blueberries in there. Savannah's got her strawberries, pineapple, and yogurt going on. Oh yeah, that's looking great. Michaela's doing the blueberries now. Great job. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be a blueberries. Whew, wow. Okay, now both of you need the coconut water in there, and then we're gonna put them in the blender. Oh yeah.
I want to pour it.
You can pour it. You're probably gonna need more than that, Nana. Just heads up. Probably gonna need more than that. Great. That's good. That's good. All right, all the way to the top. Great job. Okay, Nanner. More for you. Oh, careful, careful. Woo! Okay, we're gonna put that in the blender. Oh my gosh. Okay. Savannah,
So much yogurt.
do your coconut water.
Daddy, I want some
Looking good.
the yogurt.
Honey, it's gonna spill. Careful. Okay, now put the lid on. And let's put them in the blender and see how they come out. Okay, so Michaela's popsicles, I think are gonna come out pretty blue. Okay, go ahead. Oh, good. Okay, so we're pouring Michaela's into the mold, nice and slow, baby. Oh yeah. Oh, great pour. Wow-wee. Nice and easy. A little bit more in this one. Just really nice and slow. A little bit more.
Okay. A lot.
Fill it almost. Yep. And now a little bit more in this one. Great job. Great. Oh yeah. Gosh, you're getting good at pouring stuff. You didn't spill anything. And then that goes in. Perfect. And then that one goes on. Nope, it stays on there, so we can put it in the freezer so we can turn them into pops.
Down to
What?
drink it.
Oh, it's not a smoothie. It's gonna be a popsicle that we pull out and eat. Great job. All right, there's Michaela's. Now let's make Savannah's.
I'm gonna pour mine into the blender.
Okay. Oh, it's gonna be good. Oh, yes. Very nice. Okay, lid on and blend that puppy up.
Oh, mine is. Oh my gosh, mine is turning pink.
Oh yeah, that's a nice vibrant pink.
Yeah,
Love it.
me too. Okay,
Okay.
wow.
Let's pour yours into the molds.
Okay, now I'm gonna pour it in.
Okay. There we go. Very nice. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle,
How
wiggle,
does it
wiggle.
fall out?
Wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle.
Honey. Okay. And
A little more.
nope, no. Okay. That is. I think we got more on the counter than we actually got in the popsicle ones. Fantastic. Guess who's cleaning that up? You. All right. Perfect.
Now I'm gonna put it in the freezer.
Which ones are yours?
These two are mine and these two are Michaela's.
Ooh, yours were a nice light pink.
Look at me.
Right. Okay. We'll see how they come out in a couple hours. Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Maybe mine will turn pink.
Maybe yours will be pink. I think it's gonna be purple though.
I think it will pink.
Yeah. What?
Me too.
Yeah, you think hers will stay
I need
pink?
some frozen strawberries.
Eating some frozen strawberries while we wait. All right.